Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Before I did this painting of vintage typewriter keys, I wanted to show you the surface and how I prepped it. Obviously it's not a normal canvas. I had some metal letters laying around in my studio. I think they were actually a scrapbooking supply, and I didn't know what else to do with them, so I glued them to this cradled birch panel. It's hard. It's obviously not canvas. It's really sturdy. You can do lots of things to it that you couldn't do to canvas. So I glued the letters on, let them dry overnight, and then I applied this kind of a muddy brown color to it. And then I'm going to do my painting of these vintage typewriter keys, which I just got online, royalty free, whatever. Kind of cool. So let's go to it. Wow, that was actually a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. Painting on all this texture was kind of a pain, actually. I don't know if I'm going to do it again. Not even sure how good it looks. Can you see it? No. Doesn't have any shine on it, so it shouldn't be too hard to see. There it is, my vintage typewriter key painting. Thanks for watching.